Hello students. So today we are going to see this topic, some additional DDL commands. Okay, data definition language. So in that we have seen insert, create, uh, and update commands. Okay, in the last uh, delete, and these are all the commands that are used to create DML commands. uh, so next is some additional DDL commands. Okay, alter commands, and the alter command is used to alter the table structure, like adding some columns, renaming the existing column, and changing the data types of any column or size. Okay, or size of the column, deleting the column. So these are all the these are all the functions that can be done by using this alter command. Okay, so in a database, you can change the entire structure of the data table by using this alter command. Okay, so alter table, table name, and add means if you want to add some column, then you can add it. So if you want to modify it, then you can use the keyword modify. If you want to rename a column, then you can use this rename option. Then if you want to entirely delete a column, then you have to use this option, drop command. Okay, so sorry, drop column. Okay, so next is truncate command is used to delete all the rows of the table. The structure remains the same, and the space for used by the table will be freed here. Okay, the syntax for truncate is truncate table and the table name. Okay, so when you use this when you use this command, the data which is used by the table will be freed, and the content of the table will be removed. Okay, so deleted, but the table will be there, and structure of the table will be there, like columns, and the data types of a column will be the same. So the next thing is drop table. So this drop table is used to remove the entire table. Okay, so uh, remove the entire table from the database. If you drop the table, all the rows in the table will be deleted, and the table structure is removed from the database. Once the table is dropped, we cannot get it back. Okay, so be careful while using this drop table. So when you delete this drop table, the entire table will be deleted. Nothing will be there for to see it again. Okay, uh, this is a drop table. Delete from this is the difference between delete and drop. Okay, delete command is used to delete the content of table, but this drop will entirely delete the table itself. Next is DQL command, uh, and data query language. So this is one of the language. Here you can see that only select option. Okay, you can particularly select data from the table by using some commands. Okay, so either you can select all the all the content of the table, or you can select a particular record by using a condition. Okay, so here you can see that select command which is used for select commands is select column list, or from. Okay, from which table. Okay, so select star means it will select the entire table in the table from table name. If you want to a particular column, then you can give the column name here. Select column name from the table name. Okay, so one or more columns can be used, and the table name is the name of the table which information is relieved. Column name includes one or more columns from the table to retrieve. Okay, so here they have given one example, student table. This is the student table. They want the admission number and name of the student. Okay, so it will display only the admission number and name of the student by using this select command. Select admission number, name, okay, from the student table. So select admission number, name from student. So if you use select star from student, it will show the entire table. Okay, next is distinct keyword. This distinct keyword is use alone along with the select command to eliminate duplicate rows in the table. This helps to eliminate redundancy data. For example, select a distinct place from student. Okay, so you can see that places in the table. Say for example, Chennai is repeated for 4 to 5 times, Bangalore is repeated twice, and Delhi is repeated twice. So if you want to display the prominent place, then uh, you can use this table. Okay, you can use this distinct keyword. Okay, select distinct place from student. Okay, so select star from table will give you the entire data in the table. Next is all keyword. So this all keyword retains duplicate rows. Okay, retain duplicate rows. It will display every row of a table, every row of a table without considering the duplicate elements. Okay, it will show all the elements. Okay, it will show all the elements even it is repeated more than once. Okay, so you can use this command which is known as select column name or column names from table name. Where is another class, so you can use conditions. Okay, so here you can see that they have given where place is equal to Chennai. Okay, so it will display only the records which have place is equal to Chennai, and they have used another one condition here. So select admission number, name, age from student where age is greater than or equal to 18. Okay, so when you can see that when you give these conditions, then it will display the name, admission number and age of a student with the age greater than or equal to 18. So the next thing is you can even more give one or more condition. Okay, so far we have seen only one condition, but here you can see that they have used two condition using keyword and. Okay, so age greater than or equal to 18 and place is equal to Delhi. And you can also use this and or not logic gates. Okay, so logic commands. And means both the condition must be true, or means either one of the condition will be true, and not means in spite of Delhi it will show all the places, and the age must be uh, so in spite of Delhi it will show all the places of the student. Okay, so next is between and not between. So between means it will show the records between age of 18 to 19. Okay, not between means it will not show the between ratio, and it will show other uh, records. Okay, so not between 18 to 19 means 18 and 19 will not be displayed, only 17 will be displayed. 17 and 19 will be 17 and 20 will be displayed. So next is in keyword is used to specify the list of values which must be matched with the record value. Okay, so it will display only the exact match of this keyword which is given inside this, where place in Chennai, okay, or Delhi, okay. It will show here. You can see that they have given an example. Select admin number, name, place, where from student is a table name, and where is the keyword, place is the column name, in is the keyword, okay. So where place is equal to Chennai and place is equal to Delhi. So this instruction will show the admission number, name, and place of a student, where place is equal to Chennai and Delhi, okay. So next is from table and not in, okay. It is an opposite of it. It will eliminate the records of place is equal to Chennai and Delhi and show the other places like Bangalore, etc, okay. Next is order by, okay. You can see that you can also order by the ascending order, descending order, or alphabet order. Any order you can use it, okay. So order by name, order by number. So in which column you need, okay. If you want to order by age, means you can give order by age, okay. If you need order by admission number, then it will order it by the admission number. So next is where class. So this where class is used to um, give the condition to this select statement, okay. So where order by order by is a keyword. Order where age greater than or equal to 18, and order by name, okay. So here it will show the greater than or equal to 18 age, and it will order it by the name, address, okay, sorry, name of the student. So next is group by class. Group by is a select column name from table name, and group by column having condition, okay. So having, you can see that it will group the entire table by using this uh, grouping statement, okay. So select gender, count means it will show the count of male and female. So select gender, count uh, star from student, group by gender, okay. It will show the count of male and count of female of the uh, mm, female of the students, okay. So next is select gender, count from student, group by gender, having place, okay. Even after the condition, okay, even that condition you can check the count, okay. So select the gender and group by gender with the count of place Chennai, okay. So how many males and females are from Chennai, okay. So you can get it by using this command, okay. So next is Tcl commands. So this Tcl command is for transaction control language. So after if you are doing some transaction in a table, if you don't want it, you can even delete the last transaction by using this Tcl command, okay. So commit, rollback, and save point, okay. So commit means the last transaction will be stored permanently, okay. So rollback means if any command is any transaction is not committed, then the last transaction will be eliminated, and it will move on to the above transaction, okay. uh, and next is save point. It will create a temporary commit checkpoint, so that when you come when you commit the transaction, it will create a new commit point, okay. So this is the This is the TCL commands. Okay, so only three things are there: commit, rollback, and save point. Commit means permanently store the data which is done by insert, update, and delete. And rollback means the last command will not be done. It's like undo command. Okay, the last transaction will be eliminated and the data will be changed to the older ones. Okay, and the checkpoint means it's a temporary storage, temporary save point, like that. Okay, so for now it will be stored, but when commit is used, then all the changes which is done by this save point will be permanently stored inside the table. Okay, so with this we are finishing this chapter. We'll see the uh, next chapter, which is Python and CSV files. Okay, thank you, students.